In a world where every role is defined by purpose, we find ourselves drawn to the skies. Meet the falcon, relentless and untiring, constantly on the move, seeking opportunities on the horizon. Behold the eagle, perched where others dare not, keeping a watchful eye from the most inaccessible of places. We must not forget the guardian of all, the MVX, the largest and mightiest, capable of defending what matters most. But in the tapestry of existence, it's not always about size or might. Sometimes the smallest birds can make a difference. The sparrow, unassuming yet vital. The one who brings back the most to the nest. The one who completes it all. In the grand orchestra of nature, every role, every creature has its purpose. The nest is where their stories converge. Introducing the Acoem Sparrow wireless vibration sensor. Every asset counts.